and today we are going through a critical circumstance where the coronavirus has taken a toll on us, and at this epic moment the government has taken a very good responsibility and has told us to be in self-isolation and to work from home to avoid contact with multiple number of people, and so that the toll of the death rate that is going on is reduced. And in this phase where the epidemic or the disease would be spreading in a very strong level, they have suggested us to work from home and be safe so that the toll decreases. So this is a very good responsibility that is taken by government, and so Indian cybersecurity has also taken a responsibility out here, small one but a very effective one. So what we are doing is basically, this is the summertime and we usually conduct a summer course, and during the summer training or the summer courses we usually recommend people to do offline as well as online classes. But here at this time we are suggesting people to take only online classes for this circumstances, and during this online classes we will be sharing screens and we will learn all the things that you need. And Indian cybersecurity has many such courses, and for each and every courses we are informing you specially that for each and every courses there will be online classes conducted in this period. So what are the advantages of taking an online class? Online classes that we usually take through any GoToMeeting or Zoom, we basically interact with y'all, and also you share the screen with us and we do also with yours, and basically using that we can understand what you are doing in your computer and what I am doing in mine, and I will be interacting with you each and every way. So the advantage is not really here. The basic advantage comes in just like having online classes but having a fixed still video. So basically you all find out a free time in your whole routine, and then you see a video which is filmed at one time, and so the person thoroughly explains through it, but you don't really get to interact with the person or the trainer that you are having your class with, or you are seeing somebody's video, so you can't interact with that person, which becomes a difficulty, right? So maybe you have many questions in your mind, and that's what we try to omit out here. So basically through the meetings that we conduct via Zoom or GoToMeeting, we can interact with you. So we will be always there, there with you, and each and every step of the way in this training process. So that is why basically we are emphasizing on the online classes. Okay. So hi, my name is Anvita De, and I'll be the trainer for machine learning using Python. So using this course or within this course, I'll be trying to cover up some topics. So let's go and see what the topics that we'll be covering up. So basically, if you have a background on programming and you know something about C++ or Java or any programming, it's fine. Then it will be easier to grasp or faster to grasp. Otherwise, it's not really a big issue. We will go through some basic languages of Python that we require to move on into machine learning course. That will be covered up in basics of Python. And the next thing is, we need to, after we know the basics of Python, we have to know few libraries that we are going to use in machine learning. Few of them are NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, Seaborn, and scikit-learn. So basically using this a few modules or libraries, we can proceed. Basically these are the basic libraries. So using these or knowing these libraries would help you to proceed into machine learning. Next is, we will know some introduction of what machine learning actually is. So I will be describing you what it is and how it can affect our industries and in many other ways, and improve rather our economical conditions right now, or maybe in some other automations or any other processes. Then the next topic is, I'll be going through the overall of machine learning. So some overview steps and what are the processes that we have to cover through to reach the epitome of understanding machine learning. Then the next part is, so basically machine learning relies on data analysis. So we have to know something about that. So to know about machine learning, first we have to understand what data analysis is actually. So basically we will learn each and every steps of data analysis, and then I'll showcase you what data wrangling is, which basically is fetching of data and all those kinds of stuffs that we use in data analysis. and then I'll move on to some algorithms that we require to know in machine learning. So that's all.
Enterprise gets hacked.